Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Amy. Now let me explain how I can assist you in picking your party. First, I will walk you through a few steps and show you some products that I really think you might like. I don't know about you, but I love a good party. Who doesn't love a good party? From birthdays to graduation to Halloween. And speaking of Halloween,
what's more magical than a kid's Halloween Disney party? Now come on, follow along on this magical journey and let's create one.
look how adorable this Disney Mickey and Minnie trick-or-treat invitation for a Halloween party is. Look how cute the back of it is. Now look at all the areas we can personalize. Click on Personalize. And you have time, date, month, location and address, RSVP, date and time. So let's go ahead and edit and personalize this card. Change the name, and as you can see, card automatically updates with your new personalized information. Change the time. Look how simple this is. Just edit what you need. To Devin's house. Go ahead and edit spooky. Halloween lane. Oh, what can we type in here? Halloween. Town. What a better place to hold a Halloween party than Halloween Town. Go ahead and edit street numbers so you can see how easy this is. Pick your party. I love this site. Zazzle just has amazing products from big names like Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, to independent artists that create great graphics and great products for you to personalize in minutes, which helps you pick your party. Another thing I love about Zazzle is they stick to 100% satisfaction guaranteed. So if you don't love your item or you have any issues at all, they will make it right. There are just so many great products out here, and that's what I'm so excited to show you. I mean, look at this. You have now in minutes personalized invitations to an awesome kids Halloween Disney party. Just like we talked about in just is so simple. Now here I wanted to show you the quantity. But when you go to add it to your cart, when you click on this, it's going to go from 1 to 10 invites, but you can do 5. You can do as many as you want. And as you can see, when you go up to 25, you start saving money on each card that you purchase. You get a percentage off. I'm just scrolling down here. Now don't forget to look up here when you're on Zazzle for any kind of coupon codes. You want to make sure that you add those to get a discount. Now when you click add to cart, it's going to ask you about any edits and if they're correct. If you like the way it looks, you're okay with it, make sure you add it to the cart. If you have something that needs to be edited, go ahead and click edit template, and it will take you back to go ahead and edit that. Now if you like the way it looks, you are done. That is really how fast it is. There are different shapes and different sizes you can click on and edit those, but look at this up close. Is this not adorable? And if you are a Disney lover or you have a child that loves Mickey and Minnie, which is one of the most magical themes, it wouldn't be Halloween without some costume fun. I would love to hear what you're going to be for Halloween. Leave a comment below. I'll pick one comment at random to share on my next video. We would also love to hear about your magical Disney experiences. Leave a comment below. How many times have you been to Disney? Now, as you've seen, it only took a few minutes to edit that and personalize that invitation. Now, look at this. We have a banner. And here it shows you approximately the size, 3 by 5. The quality. Here it is in a setting to show you the approximate size. Now look at this. Is this not adorable? Trick or treat. Jordan's Halloween party. Well, let's jump right in and let's personalize it. I want you to see how fast you can do this. And that's what I love and want to share with you is how amazing and powerful Zazzle is. It took me just a few seconds to update this with Paisley's Halloween party. And within seconds, we have a magical banner. Now there is an outdoor version, and there's also, here you can see it on a fence. Just so much fun. This is the one I like, outdoor with metal grommets. I do like this version. It does cost just a little bit more, but it has the grommets for you to tie it up in case you're doing a outdoor event or scroll down so you can see there are just amazing products. And it's a do-it-yourself, personalized in moments. Add it to your cart. It will also show you that you can add some tie-ons once you add it to your cart, or other accessories. Now here on the checkout page, as you can see, you can use PayPal, you can use a regular credit card. You can use Google Pay, PayPal. Here is where you would put a coupon code in, and then you would click apply. And that will give you your discount. If you copied and pasted a code from as you can see, it automatically updated with the coupon. You save 1506. So make sure you, when you're on Zazzle and you are personalizing or find a product you like, that you use those coupon codes. Now I've scrolled down, and when you scroll down, it's going to show you other products that you might be interested in. There are paper plates, there are labels, there are thank you cards. Here we have some napkins. And here we have some napkins. And look how adorable these napkins. And they match our theme. Our kids' Halloween Disney party theme. Trick or treat, Gordon's Halloween party. They are just so cute. And there's also, you can choose colors. There is white, ecru, which seems like a little off-white color. There are pink, and silver. So I love this design as well because it is gender neutral. You can use this design for a boy or a girl. And look how fast we can personalize. Type in Paisley again here. And there you have it. In seconds, we now have a personalized kids Halloween Disney party napkin. And they do come in sets of 50. So if you order 2 sets, you're going to get 100 napkins. If you order 1 set, you're going to get 50 napkins. Go ahead and add it to cart and view the cart. And it automatically put the coupon code that we entered earlier when we personalized our banner onto our napkins. And it automatically saved us $10.32. The code I'm using here is not going to be the same when you personalize your items. Just make sure that you pay attention to the Dazzle page, and usually they are offering some kind of a sale. And again, you can use PayPal, credit card, Google Pay. And here is your napkin. Again, super cute, super fun, and a super easy way for you to pick your party. And back to normal. If you have any interest in these products that I have shared with you today, I left the links down below in the description. If you buy any products from these links, I do receive a small commission. It is greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And click that little bell notification to get notified every time I post. See you guys next time on Pick Your Party.